Hey everyone, we are studying about the important days of October in this video. October 1st is the World Vegetarian Day, International Coffee Day, and International Day for the Older People. The International Day for the Older People is observed every year to raise problems faced by the elder persons and also to promote the development of society for all the age groups. Next comes the International Coffee Day. It is to recognize millions of people across the world, from farmers, roasters, and coffee shop owners, etc., who do hard work to create and serve the beverage in consumable form. Talking about coffee, the brand Cafe Coffee Day, CCD, is very famous. Everybody must have heard about it. So you have to tell me the brand CCD belongs to which country and which state? This is the question for you. You can comment your answer in the comment section below. World Vegetarian Day, it is observed annually on 1st of October. It was first founded in 1977 by the North American Vegetarian Society. First Monday of October is observed as the World Habitat Day. It was also declared by United Nations General Assembly in December 1985, and in 1986, for the first time, it was celebrated across the world. 2nd of October, Gandhi Jayanti. Everybody is familiar with this date. This is the birthday of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Because Mahatma Gandhi was a firm believer of non-violence, we also celebrate International Day of Non-Violence on his birthday. On 15th June 2007, General Assembly adopted a resolution of establishing International Day of Non-Violence to spread the message of non-violence, including education and public awareness. 3rd of October is the World Nature Day. 4th October is the World Animal Day. This day raises awareness among people about taking actions worldwide for the rights of animals and their welfare. October 5th is the World Teachers Day. Remember, September 5th is the National Teachers Day, which is celebrated only in India. But 5th of October is the World Teachers Day, which is celebrated all over the world. 6th of October, it's the World Wildlife Day. 8th October, Indian Air Force Day. On 8th October 1932, remember the year, 1932, Indian Air Force Day was established for the first time. So talking about Indian Air Force Day, we should also know about Army Day and Navy Day. Army Day I've already taught you in the video of January. Navy Day will be covered in the video of December, coming a day after this video. So if you already know Army Day and Navy Day, comment your answer in the comment section below. 9th of October, it's the World Post Office Day. This day, it creates awareness among people about the role of the postal sector. Most of the people in different parts of the country, they still use post offices to send something. So this day is to create awareness about the role of postal sector. 10th of October is the World Mental Health Day. This day raises awareness about the scale of suicide around the world and the role that each of us can play to help in preventing it. In my last video of September month, we have discussed about Suicide Day. So one question for you, you have to tell me, when is the World Suicide Day observed? 11th of October is the International Girl Child Day. This is the day to raise voice for girls and stand up for their rights. Second Thursday in October is celebrated or is observed as World Sight Day. 12th of October is the World Arthritis Day. 13th October is the International Day for Natural Disaster Reduction. This day is to raise awareness about the risk of disaster reduction. It was started by United Nations General Assembly in 1989. 14th October is the World Standards Day. Standards examples of regulators, industries, consumers. So this day is to standardize the global economy. 15th October, Global Hand Washing Day. Hand washing, something which is quite required in these times. So Global Hand Washing Day is on 15th of October. This day provides an opportunity to design, test, and replicate creative ways to encourage people to wash their hands regularly. International Day of Rural Women, World Students Day, World White Cane Safety Day, and International Day of Rural Women. All these days are observed on 15th of October. Students Day is to mark the birth anniversary of APJ Abdul Kalam. This day honors and pays him respect for his efforts in the fields of science and technology as well. 16th October is the World Food Day. The Food and Agriculture Organization was established and launched by United Nations on 16th October in 1945. 17th October, International Poverty Eradication Day. 20th October, World Statistics Day, National Solidarity Day, World Osteoporosis Day. 24th, very important date, UN Day. Any exam you are preparing for, there are almost 90% chances that you will get a question, when is the UN Day? So your answer will be 24th of October. Also World Polio Day and World Development Information Day. UN was started in 1948. 27th of October is the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage. 28th October is the International Animation Day. 31st October, Halloween Day, very famous among children. Unity Day, that is Rashtra Ekta Divas in India. World Thrift Day and also World Savings Day. This day is to promote the habit of saving among especially the young generation. So these were the important days of the month of October. If you want questions on October or you want PDF notes regarding any topic of static GK or English, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is below in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.